In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch foreign movies on Netflix, even if they aren't available in your country. Before we start, I recommend using NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works perfectly with Netflix. You can follow along using the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. Different countries have different Netflix libraries. Some regions get movies and shows that others don't. For example, certain Hollywood films, Korean dramas, Japanese anime, Bollywood movies, and European titles are only available in specific countries. Netflix hides or blocks those titles if you're not in that region. But the simplest way to unlock them is by using a VPN, or virtual private network, which lets you connect to the internet through another country, so Netflix thinks you're actually there. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, just use the link in the description to download it and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of countries and a search bar at the top. Type the country whose Netflix library you want to access, for example, Japan, Germany, Turkey, South Korea, or the United States. Tap on the country and NordVPN will connect you to a high-speed server in a few seconds. Once NordVPN shows that you're connected, open Netflix in your browser or launch the Netflix app. You should now see the content library of the region you connected to. Just search for the movie or show you want to watch and start streaming. If the new content doesn't appear immediately, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, or close and reopen the Netflix app. You can also switch to another server in the same country if you want better speed or smoother streaming. NordVPN lets you check server load inside the app, so you can pick the fastest one with the lowest traffic. Using a VPN also keeps your connection encrypted, which protects your streaming activity and keeps everything private. You can watch foreign Netflix movies on any device, your TV, phone, laptop, or tablet, without any extra setup. Just make sure NordVPN is running in the background. With NordVPN, you can instantly unlock global Netflix libraries and watch movies that were never available in your country before. It's safe, simple, and works anywhere in the world. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start watching foreign Netflix.